Barely got that one.
Daddy was ready. Okay, you gotta swim on your own. Come on. How do you swim? Teach Daddy. What do you do? How do you swim?
Like that.
Like how? Do you put your hand over your head?
No.
Okay, you're doing great.
Like this.
Oh, okay.
I do my head like that.
Okay.
I go like that.
That's very good.
But I'm not like now.
Ooh, thunderstorm. One more jump, okay? And the lightning's coming. Okay, go. Climb. Marco?
Yes.
What are you doing?
I do it.
Hold on, don't jump yet. Okay, hold on. Wait. Okay, last one.
Yeah.
Okay, whenever. You did not jump out very far that time.